Ever felt like the Wild West of cryptocurrency is a little too wild? You're not alone. Between the endless jargon and the fear of losing access to your hard-earned coins, venturing into the world of Bitcoin can be intimidating. But what if you could take back control? What if you could be your own Bitcoin bank? Context: 015 to 115. This might sound like science fiction, but it's actually becoming a reality. One way to achieve this is through crypto wallets. These digital safes allow you to store your Bitcoin outside of exchanges, giving you more autonomy over your finances. But before you dive headfirst into wallet world, there's an important question to answer. Can you transfer Bitcoin directly from a popular exchange like Gemini to your own wallet? Introducing Gemini, 1:15 to 2 o'clock. Let's face it, Gemini has become a go-to platform for many crypto enthusiasts. It's user-friendly, secure, and boasts a wide range of features. But is it flexible enough to let you move your Bitcoin elsewhere? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we're about to explore. The big answer: transferring Bitcoin from Gemini, 2 to 3 o'clock. Here's the good news: yes, you absolutely can transfer Bitcoin from your Gemini account to an external wallet. This empowers you to take control of your cryptocurrency and potentially benefit from features Gemini might not offer, like advanced security measures or staking rewards on certain wallets. The how-to, 3 to 4:30. Now, how exactly do you do it? The process is actually quite straightforward. First, you'll need to set up your external wallet. There are tons of options available, each with its own pros and cons. Do your research and choose one that aligns with your needs. Once your wallet is ready to rock, head over to your Gemini account and navigate to the withdrawal section. Here, you'll be prompted to select the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer and, most importantly, the destination address. This address acts like your unique bank account number in the crypto world. It's a long string of letters and numbers that identifies your external wallet. Be super careful when entering this address. One typo and your Bitcoin could vanish into the digital abyss. Double check, triple check, then check again. Once you're confident, hit that withdrawal button, and voila! Your Bitcoin will be on its way to your own personal crypto vault. Security concerns, 4:30 to 5:30. While transferring Bitcoin to an external wallet offers freedom, it also comes with added responsibility. Unlike exchanges with their robust security systems, your wallet's safety now rests on your shoulders. Here are some golden rules to remember. Strong passwords: this one's a no-brainer. Use a complex, unique password for your wallet and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Beware of phishing scams. Just like with your bank account, scammers might try to trick you into revealing your wallet details. Never click on suspicious links or enter your information on unfamiliar websites. Backups are crucial. Imagine losing your phone or hardware wallet. That also means losing access to your Bitcoin. Always have a secure backup of your wallet information in case of emergencies. Benefits of external wallets, 5:30 to 6:30. Now that we've addressed the security aspect, let's talk about the potential benefits of transferring your Bitcoin to an external wallet. Here are a few key advantages. Enhanced security. Certain wallets offer advanced security features like multi-signature technology, requiring multiple approvals for any transactions. Staking opportunities. Some wallets allow you to earn rewards by staking your Bitcoin. This essentially involves locking up your coins for a set period to support the network and earn interest. Privacy. While not completely anonymous, external wallets can offer more privacy compared to some exchanges that require extensive user verification. Is it right for you? 6:30 to 7 o'clock. So, should you ditch Gemini altogether and become your own Bitcoin bank? Not necessarily. External wallets offer a unique set of advantages, but they also come with added responsibility. If you're a casual investor comfortable with Gemini security measures, keeping your Bitcoin on the exchange might be perfectly fine. However, if you're a crypto enthusiast who values advanced security, staking opportunities, or increased privacy, transferring your Bitcoin to an external wallet might be the way to go.